Hello, I am Dinesh from India. Basically, I am a mechanical engineer. I have 18 years of teaching industrial and uh, R&D experience. Presently, I am doing my postdoctoral research here in USA. I always wanted to write a book on technical subject of my expertise. But I was not able to really make a start, and last couple of years mostly I kept on postponing due to various reasons, and this project I could not begin, could not start, and that was taking the first step was the biggest problem for me. You know, when I came here to US doing my postdoctoral research, I came across Christina Matsai from coachingwithchristina.com, and I contacted her, and she was very happy and obliged to assist me in my book project. So we started working on the book project, and initially, you know, it was very difficult for me to start and get going. You know, I used to get stuck many times while working, and I used to get overwhelmed with the amount of writing I have to do. But Christina has a lot of experience in such projects, and you know, she has helped out many people in their life in various projects, and so I had a lot of confidence in her, and she really came out with many good ideas, and she helped me break down the bigger goal into smaller tasks and make a mind map on a simple paper, so that I can handle one small task at a time without getting overwhelmed, and complete that small task to its fullest extent with good quality. And in this manner, initially I was writing only about 10-20 minutes per day, then it increased to 1 hour per day, and then it increased to about 2 hours. Like that it went on increasing. And initially I was writing at the rate of maybe 1 or 2 pages per day, just in the flow without editing much. But later on we started setting weekly goals, and some goals were like completing 5 pages per week, per day, and we used to set some goals, completion of small tasks per week, and that is how I gained the momentum and get going. And I'm happy that in a very short period of time, that is in I think 4 months time, I completed my manuscript of my book of 170 pages. It consists of 170 pages. Presently I'm just editing and putting some pictures in place, and it is under editing and publishing. And I also learned various techniques and methods and various ways of getting ideas for writing a book, and how to evolve your idea and how to write. And I learned a lot from Christina during this project, and I'm planning to publish my book on Amazon in coming 1.5 months to 2 months time. And I'm very grateful to her for her effort. She put all her effort with a lot of passion and lot of ideas. She was totally professional in her approach, and highly inspiring and motivating. And she was also very open-hearted, and always was ready to listen to questions, and she always had patience to listen, and to motivate, to encourage whenever you are let down, and whenever you are stuck. She used to always come out with some good idea, which is to start the wheel running again, and the momentum used to take speed up. And that's how I could complete this project quickly. And I am very grateful to her, and Thank you, Christina. And I'm really grateful to you for all your effort and helping me in this project. Once it is published on the website, and once I get some hard copy, I'll definitely post it to you. And I wish a very happy, prosperous life. Good luck in all your efforts and endeavors and pursuits. Thank you so much for all the help. Thanks a lot. I'm really grateful to you. Thank you.